Hey there, toy fans. Colin here again with a brand new review, and today I've got my hands on a new product called the Snap Circuits Junior. It's not a new product, it's new to the channel, but these things have been around for ages. This personally is a product that I enjoyed in my own youth way back in the day, and I absolutely love using this nowadays, seeing all the modernized parts, and once I saw this on the shelf, I just knew I had to give it a review because this is such a cool kit for kids to learn how engineering works and how electronics works, and it even puts them into a fun, easy modular application so that anybody of most ages can get done any of these projects and enjoy and understand everything along the way. So let's talk about what comes in the kit right off the bat. You can see that I have a nice little demonstration project built for you guys right here, one of the early ones from the book. It comes with this very nice big tray right here that has tons of little pegs for you to build any of the pieces on top of. And then of course we've got all the pieces on top right here I'll get to in a second. But inside the box you can see that this lid just flips right open like that to reveal a nice little display of everything that we have here. So there are tons of these nice little magnetic, or sorry, not magnetic, but rather metallic jumper blocks right here. So you snap those straight onto the board just like this, and that will carry the current from the battery pack to any of the other components. It's just that simple to click them on. I dropped the fan over there, but that's no big deal. I'll grab that in a second. So moving on though, we can see that there are a whole bunch of other components in this box as well. So not only are there a ton of different variations of these jumper cable sizes, they go from just the one singular jumper block to 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 7. So 6 and 7. So that's really, really nice to see that they have a huge variety of lengths right there so that you can get tons of mechanisms built. You can even stem multiple mechanisms off of these individual branches. There's a lot to explore in here for sure. As well as that, you've got standard button switches right here, like this one, for example. That is just a simple button that you can press and it'll allow the current to carry through. Here on the board already, I currently have a normal switch that you would see similar to like a light switch, just an on and off DC switch. Pretty cool. As well as that, we've got this very nice DC motor with a nice little attachment on it. You saw the red spinning blade on there earlier, but this is super nice with a very, very cool plexiglass bottom so that you can actually see the true mechanics going on inside of this, which are a little bit more complicated than what's being delivered in this package, but really nice to see regardless, so that you can kind of get a little preview look about what's going on under the hood of these parts. Here's the battery pack. You can see that this does not come with batteries, so I just included a couple Duracells in there. No big deal. I'm sure you've got a couple AA's lying around your house. This doesn't draw too much current at all. It's a very, very economical kit in that sense. So putting this project back together real quick, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how cool this first project is in the kit. This is only on the first page of the instructional booklet, which I'm about to show you guys in a second. But let me go ahead and mention some of these other parts right here. There's these 3 modules on the side right here. There's a musical module, an alarm module, and a Space Wars module. So there's a whole lot of discovery to be had in here, and that's all thanks to this incredible book that we have right here. This comes with the inside the box, and it comes with over 100 different projects for you to build, and you'll see that they're laid out as simply as this. They just show you the basic circuit from a top-down view, showing you which parts you need, and they even label the grid axis numbers on this block right here to make it super simple. And on the right side, they have great explanations shown here for how to build it and what is happening inside the circuit. It's a fantastic beginner's guide to understanding electronics and how current flows between different components. It's incredible. Here's a list of all 101 different potential builds you can do right here. There are just it's incredible the amount of value you get out of this package. And you can see that the deeper you go, the more the complexity gets. You can really start to build quite a whole lot of different complex things. Here's the Space Battle project. I'm quite curious to see what that one is right there. But anyways, I'll leave all that discovery up for you guys. Personally, I am a huge fan of this set. When I saw it on the shelves in the store, like I said, I just had to get my hands on the new modern version. This is a fantastic set for any of those budding engineers in your household, or if you know any younger kids or any younger people who are interested in these kind of products or interested in computers, technology. If they're always talking about asking how stuff works or that kind of thing, this is a fantastic way to point them, because this is a fundamentally awesome set in my opinion, and You can't go wrong. You just can't. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick example of what this red thing, or what this red fan looks like. I'll show you this first build design so you can get a preview. Okay, I've just retrieved my red fan blade right here, and just putting that on top of this mount right here, you can see that just flicking on this switch, the current is carried from the battery pack through the DC circuit all the way back around to continue the full final circuit, and this switch right here closes the circuit to allow the power to continue and flow throughout the whole thing, activating the DC motor in the front here. And the best part about all of this is that if you turn this off, if you have the DC motor facing the way that points it so that the air is blowing downwards, then you can get a really cool effect here. When you turn it on, it spins up to full speed just like this, and then you turn it off and get ready. I'll never get tired of that. It just launches the fan blade straight up. This set is so much fun for any young kids or anybody of any age, honestly. It's just incredibly cool to build things and get the full result out of them just like that. Super duper fun. Very cool toy here, definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. Just showing you that this is one of the most basic projects you can get in here. There's a whole lot of fun to be had and a whole lot of learning to be had as well. Thank you again for watching, everybody, and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. You can click over here to watch a random video from my channel, or click over here to watch the most recent video from earlier this week. Thanks again. If you liked the video, make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.